In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use an application called JSplacement to create a good quality texture. JSplacement is a cross-platform pseudo-random 8K displacement map generator. I'll be using the wire feature to generate a texture, but in the future I'll demonstrate how to use other features as well. When we open the application, we need to go to the top left corner to access the menu. By the way, the window you see on the background is my favorite graphic editing software called Paint Shop Pro from 1999. JSplacement is the one in the middle. Anyway, we can choose what texture we wish to make by making a selection and clicking the texture preview area. JSplacement will automatically generate unique textures for you, and you can fully adjust the settings to make them even more unique. JSplacement is the easiest and the best texture generator I've used, and I would highly recommend everyone to use this software. As you can see, there are several texture types, but we'll be using the wire feature today. When you're saving the files, remember to put keywords like col or color for color images, norm or normal for normal images, and height for height images. Also, remember to put the PNG extensions after the file names. That will help when we use Ctrl-Shift-T feature to add multiple texture images at the same time. Subdivide the default cube with 100 cuts. Create a new material and press Ctrl-Shift-T on the BSDF shader. Select color and normal. I'm using a cloned look dev HDRI image, but you can use any other HDRI image files as the background. This is my node setup. Lower the normal map strength. Go to Texture and add the height map. Add the Displace modifier. We need to add mix shader, emission and color ramp. Please match my settings. Two more color ramps are needed. Load the height image to this image texture node. Please activate the bloom. This is the end of the texture creation tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.